Hi everyone, this is Ashwini, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science, BMS IT. I am there for explaining microcontroller and embedded system laboratory program that is with analog to digital converter. So analog to digital converter, in analog to digital means in the sense we are having an analog input. So this is the input what we have taken. This is a variable register. Using this variable register, the variable register means we will be varying the register values. Once the register value is been varied, the voltage related to that will be displayed in the LCD display here. In the LCD display, we will see the demo in the execution time. But we know the Ohm's law, right? That V is equals to IR. Once there is a change in the register value, once the register value decreases, voltage also decreases. Once the register value increases, voltage also decreases according to Ohm's law. So we are using this variable register to vary the register values according to which the voltage value will vary and it will be displayed in this particular LCD display. So we are using LCD display for the output. We will see exactly how the analog to digital converter works. So our program is to determine the digital output for an analog input. That means analog input is the variable register. Digital output is the value of voltage value of the varied register, which is converted in the digital format and it has been displayed in the LCD. So we know what is meant by ADC. It is analog to digital converter which converts the analog signal to the digital form. That means the variation in the signals will be converted into the digital representation. So that is all about our program. Then we will see how exactly it has been implemented. The pins which has been connected to our particular our kit is ADC is connected to P028. So there are two pins, ADC internal and ADC temperature. We are making use of ADC internal only where the variable register is connected. There is one more pin called as ADC temperature. That means when to this bit, when you're taking the torch of your light, if you go show near that particular bit, it has a sensor. It senses the light which is being produced by the mobile, and then also the temperature also. That means the voltage will again increase with that point. So that particular bit we have not used in our program. So we are only using ADC internal. In ADC internal, it is at the port 0th bit and it is the 28th bit. That means we are making use of port 028. So port 028 means we are supposed to use pin select 1, correct? Pin select 0 is used for 0 to 15 and pin select 1 is used for 16 to 31st of port 0. So we are initializing 28th bit of my port 0 when we are getting the value 0x010000 for initializing ADC. Once the ADC has been initialized, we are supposed to give the values for the particular control register in order to perform the task. So here you see this is the pin diagram of the control register specifying that what exactly the data which should be moved between the analog to digital. So this is a ADC3. AD0C3 means we are making use of ADC0. We are having two ADC converters, ADC0 and ADC1. We are making use of ADC0. In ADC0, we are having something called as AD control register. So AD control register will contain all the operating mode in which ADC can work. So these are the ADC ADCR is a register of 0 to 31 bits and all those bits has been specified in this particular register table. We can see most of the places preserved and we have something called as select bit. A select bit is used for selecting the particular ADC operation. We are having clock also. Clock specifies whether we are supposed to use 1 clock, 2 clock or 10 clock. So depending upon the reservation. So here whenever we are initializing or we are using ADC CR, we are supposed to initialize it with 0x002. That means we are performing a start operation. See 24th and 26th, 24th to 26th bit is high. So you can make that particular bit high and see whether that it is performing a start operation and we can enable some of the clocks whatever we require and we can enable the mode using the select bit. So instead of remembering all the bit per part, we can remember the value that ADCR should be initialized with. 0x002002, and AD0CR can also be reinitialized. That means in order to start the execution of the analog to digital converter, this particular bit should be enabled. That is, in this 26th bit will be enabled, specifying that it is performing the it is starting the ADC conversion. So keeping initializing ADC here, that is analog to digital control register. We have some other register called as GDR. That means whenever we are given a analog data, that means whatever the data which we are reading analog, that data will be stored in a register called as global data register. So the value whatever is been sent through an analog value will be stored in a register analog to digital global data register. In this it is also a 32-bit register where we can see 31st bit is very much important. If 31st bit will specify the data, whatever is sent as analog is converted to digital and kept ready for the using of the digital data. That means 31st bit. And there is one more bit, like say, bit number 6 till bit number 15 is the value which has been converted. So using this two values, like bit number 6 to bit number 15 and the 31st bit, we can write the code whether the analog to digital conversion is completed. If it is not converted, we have to wait till it is converted, and then we are shift the data back to its positions. Here we are using do operation, means we are performing the execution. AD0 GDR, that means that the value present in that register is moved to I. The I value is checked with 0x8000. 8 stands for 100, that is the 31st bit is 1. If 31st bit is 1 and the value whatever is present in GDR is also equivalent to the 31st bit, then we have completed the analog to digital conversion. Once we have completed the analog to digital conversion, the value whatever is present in high should be moved to the 6th position, because the value will be at 15 to 6. We are supposed to move it to the 0th position, so we will shift it towards the 0th position for the 6 times, so that the value will be at 0th position. Is that fine? And when we are moving the value to the 0th position, we need to mask the complete. That means whatever the value is being sent, converted, only that value should be there. So we need to mask. Mask in the sense 0x03FF means 03FF is represented as 0000011, and FF is represented as 111. When we are masking with this value, with the high value, what will happen? Whatever the value which is being converted, that itself will exist at the register, so that there will be no changes or no modification will be there. So once the data is been loaded, converted and ready for moving on to the digital part, we are supposed to make use of LCD to display the data. So how to use the LCD to display the data, and how the program works, we will see even in more detail using Kill software. In this program, we are having something called as this is the ADC program. ADC program is analog to digital converter. First, we will see where is our main program. So in your main program, we have initialized LCD because we are displaying the data in LCD. So initializing LCD, we will call LCD.c or LCD.h, which is a header file we can call. And then we are initializing ADC. The initialization of ADC, I have explained, we are initializing using the pin select pin. Select pin 1 because we are using P0 P0.28 bit for specifying the operation. So after initializing the ADC, then we are calling something called as display ADC. So what is present in display ADC? In display ADC, we are having a value, whatever the value we wanted to display, analog to digital converted value, we are initially making it 0, and we are creating a buffer of character of size 4, and we are reading ADC. We are performing a read ADC. So what is present in read ADC? Whatever we have seen in the slide, same thing will be present in ADC. Read ADC. In read ADC, we are setting the control register, and we are starting the A to D conversion. So how long the conversion will happen? We have to check with the global data register. Is the contents of global data register is moved to high. I is ANDed with one bit, first bit, to check whether whether we have completed the operation or not. That means the 31st bit is 1 or not. Once if this loop, once the control comes out of this loop, that means the data is readily available for whatever has been converted, that you need to move it on to the 0th position, mask it with 03FF. With example I have explained in the slide. So same code is available at the read. Once the data is read, whatever the read data, whatever you are reading from the analog to digital converter, you are moving on to ADC value. ADC value usually will be a number, correct? Because V is equals to IR means why when you are changing the register value, voltage value also change. Voltage is usually a number. But when we are want to display onto the LCD, we are supposed to display it as a character, because a number, when you are giving directly to LCD, we have to supposed to give it as a ASCII character. So we are supposed to convert the ADC underscore value, the digital number, into a character. So we are using a S printer, string printf, ADC value, which is being pointed by a buffer variable of character type. So once the data is readily available in the string format, we are putting on the data where we are calling LCD put string. This is our inbuilt function which is available for us to use. So that we will call that function in order to display ADC value is equals to 00. That means the value whatever you wanted to display in the LED screen. After displaying the initial setup, then we are going to move the cursor to the position called as 0th row. There is two rows in LCD. I will show you in the output. 0 row and first row. We are selecting 0th row and the 10th column, because here you see A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can start printing the value from this particular location. That means we are moving the cursor at 0, 10, and we are putting the string buffer at that particular location. So the value whatever is being converted will be posted in the LCD by using this function. So this is how this is all the explanation of the LCD program, but the execution is again the same. You translate, build the exa file and call using the flash magic and execute the program, which you are supposed to follow the same steps as you have followed in the previous programs. What happens at the execution time and how the demo is happening, I will show you in the exam with an example. Here we can see this is the kit for the execution. So here this is the value which is being displayed. 102 is the LCD value. This is the variable registers. Once you vary this variable register value, that means you rotate towards the left side or you rotate towards the right side. Once you rotate the value of the value whatever is displayed here will vary. See, I am rotating the data. The data is being rotated according to which there is a variation. If I'm increasing the voltage, the value of the ADC value will also change. If I decrease, the value will also reduce. That means according to the variation in the register value, digital data will also change. See, increasing and decreasing of the value depends upon the register. This is all about the ADC value. It is converting the analog signal into the digital data, and this is displayed in the LCD display. So this is how the execution happens. If you want, I will again explain. See, there is a change as we are changing in the variable register. The value in this particular LCD display also varies. It displays from 0 to the highest number to whatever it has been coded. So it will continue till the variation has been stopped. Once you can stop the variation immediately, the value will also get idle. It will not vary unless and fourth we are going to change the variable register value. So this is all about our ADC program. That means in the ADC we are converting the digital data, analog data of the register into the digital representation and printing into the LCD screen. Thank you.